Hi my loves, it's me. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will going to channel some random messages from spirits. Okay, so for anyone who needs to hear this, okay, dealing with bad romantics, anyone with a permission slip, intergalactic feed trip, for anyone na sabihin natin ay nag-astral travel or nakikipag-connect through astral travel, for anyone with work-life balance strugglers, for anyone who's writers who are not writing, or sabihin natin who's painter are not painting, and sexual beings who are not sexing. Okay. For anyone who are entangled in the 24/7 fear cycle, those who can never find the right words. Okay, so let's see the energy first for this someone. Be your own. Inability to move forward. Okay, miss the opportunity. For anyone who are stuck. Okay, this is a strong energy for those who are stuck in their life or feel stuck in their life, in their journey right now. They are, kumbaga, this is a reverse death card. Kumbaga, it also symbolizes and significance with an inability to move forward, fear of new beginning. Kagaya, okay, my loves, you are dealing with, sabihin natin, wala kang drive. You are fearing to move forward. Kumbaga, repeating the negative patterns. Okay, you are repeating the negative patterns, and that's why, kumbaga, namimiss mo yung mga opportunities eh. Namimiss mo yung mga opportunities na left behind mo, and sabihin natin na left behind mo yung mga blessings and signs para sa'yo. Okay? Never find the right words. Maybe some of you, my loves, you are, sabihin natin, struggling with love life right now, and it causes you lots of blockages, lots of, sabihin natin, inability to move. Okay, so nakaka-apekto sa energy mo, may tendency the bad romantics. Okay, the spirits wants you to know to claim your happy place. You have to claim your happy place. Okay. May tendency nga na because of bad romantics or love life, you are unable to move forward. May tendency na nakadepende ka dito sa love life na to. And namimiss mo yung mga opportunities na dumadating sa'yo because of this. Yan. Nagkakaroon ka ng work life balance struggle because of love life. Strongly feel that na nakaka-apekto, isa sa mga nakaka-apekto sa'yo is love life. And kagaya ito, yung intergalactic field trip na to is you still communicating with someone na sabihin natin naka-hold ka doon, na nakikipag-connect ka pa rin, na nagkokos sa'yo ng inability to move forward dito sa actual plane, sa 3D plane. Maybe na-affect, like for example, love life na naapektuhan ang career. Okay? Never find the right words. Okay. So, may tendency din na meron kang hindi ma-communicate. Meron kang hindi ma-communicate regarding with your love life. But I strongly feel na ikaw ay masyadong naapektuhan sa love life mo. or your career, your success is masyadong affected by your bad romance. Okay? So, spirits want you to know na wag ka mag-cling doon. And, sabihin natin, claim your happy place. Kung hindi yun nagbibigay sa'yo ng happiness, let it go. Okay? Unlock your highest potential. Pero, the signs, the blessings, ay, kumbaga nami-miss mo with this energy. Na left behind mo siya. Kasi nga, nakafocus ka sa love life. You have to be grounded. You have to find your solid ground. Get into your depth. Get into your depth. Kasi, yung work na kailangan mong gawin right now is hindi mo siya nagagawa. Hindi mo nasiserve. So, kagaya nga na sinabi ko, writers who are not writing because of this card. Okay? Hindi ka ground. You need to ground yourself. Kasi nga, masyado kang, sabihin natin, yung isipan mo ay naka-hold doon sa yung bad romance. Kaya nagkakos yun ng intergalactic feed trip, my loves. Ito, I strongly feel the spirits want you to know na you have to be grounded right now. You know, find your solid ground with this card. Find your solid ground. Okay. Hindi maganda yung naidulot sa'yo ng love life na to. Hindi maganda yung naidulot sa'yo ng love life na to kasi ang dami mong na-miss na opportunities. Marami kang nami-miss or marami kang na-miss na opportunities for you. But the spirits want you to know, if you are, sabihin natin, kung makikinig ka sa mga signs, sa messages nila right now, you can escape, you can release with this energy. Okay? If you are feeling stuck right now, don't worry because the spirits wants to help you to escape and to find, and they will give you solutions for this matter. Kung, basta kumbaga, kung ikaw man ay sabihin mo yung isipan, your emotions ay kumbaga puro yung bad romance na to yung nilalaman, spirits want you to know hindi to nakaka-apekto sa'yo ng maganda because this bad romance enable you to move forward. Parang kumbaga binigyan ka nito ng fear of beginnings and ayun, paulit-ulit the repeating negative patterns. Kumbaga, because of this bad romance, you resist to change. Nakadepende ka dito sa love life na to. And kagaya na sinabi ko, nalileft behind mo yung mga opportunities na ibinibigay sa'yo ni angels and guides. Painters who are not painting, hindi mo nagagawa kung ano yung task. I feel na also, I feel na some of my collectives are also healers or meron silang spiritual task na kailangan gawin. Maybe, my healers are nakakling in doon sa tinatawag nating twin flame energy. Hindi sila maka-get over doon. They still communicating with the 5D dimension. Pero meron silang, kumbaga, na papabayaan dito sa 3D dimension. I also feel that. Okay. So, let's see. Let's pull some card for self-care. Ano yung kailangan yung gawin for this? Para maka-escape, para ma-receive yung freedom na kinakailangan ninyo. Para magkaroon ng relief at mag-take back ng control. Okay, chanting. Okay, connect with the divine. So, chanting is one of the pwede natin i-consider na breathing exercise. Makakatulong yan sa inyo para ma-release or matanggal yung mga blockages. So, mag-start to chanting. Maraming mga downloadable na chant na pwede. Yung simpleng Om is masasabi natin makapagbibigay sa'yo ng treatment and makakapag-remove ng blockages para maging balance ka ulit and maging grounded. So, ito din ay isa sa mga exercises para mas maging grounded ka. Kasi nga, na nandun ka sa 5D dimension na kung saan nakikipag-connect ka dito sa love na nag-cause sa'yo ng bad romance or bad romantics. Okay? Find your happy place. Write a gratitude list. Okay? May tendency nga na nagre-resist ka sa change. Hindi, nakadependent ka masyado dito sa love connection na to. Okay? Again, I want you to remind some na spirits want to remind you na you have tasked in 3D. Okay? Hindi mo to pwedeng pabayaan. Hindi mo pwedeng pabayaan yung binigay sa yung task. Hindi mo pwedeng mapabayaan yung career mo nang dahil lang sa bad or nang dahil sa bad romantics. Connect with your crystals. Sabi ko sa inyo, some of you are healers or some of you are into spiritual services. Some of you are spiritual. My collectives are also spiritual, but right now nagkakaroon ng distraction when it comes to their, sabihin natin, pwedeng karmic or false twin flame journey. So, okay, yung false twin flame journey kasi kadalasan talaga distractions and lessons na ibinibigay niyan sa atin. Or, kumbaga, kung halimbawa, hindi, yun nga, kasi you are into spirituality so naiintindihan mo yung connection. Maybe you are also dealing dun sa kinikilala mong twin flame mo. But this one is, yes, angels are confirming na this one is false twin flame because kumbaga hindi maganda yung dinudulot niyan sa'yo. They are your false twin flame. And nakaka-dependent ka dito sa journey na to. Nakadepende ka sa journey na to at napapabayaan mo na yung task na dapat gawin mo sa 3D plane. Okay, let's see some angel messages for you, my loves. Diba? Listen to your intuition. Listen to your intuition. Ang dami mong namimiss, my loves, na messages from our angels, from the spirits. Nalileft behind mo siya. Because masyado ka naging drawn dito sa romantic connections. Okay, this one is to remind you na ano ba yung mga bakit ka nag-start. Okay, if you are a spiritual person, you are a spiritual being, and because aside doon sa twin flame journey, ano pa yung task na binigay sa'yo? Listen to your intuition, my loves, kasi kumbaga ang twin flame journey ay may binibigay sa ating task din yan. Kumbaga, kung hindi ka matutulungan ng person mo na matupad yung vision or yung spiritual task na yon, maybe hindi siya yung twin flame journey. Yung twin flame. Maaaring ito ay false flame or yung tinatawag bad romantics. And okay, let's pull our very last card. Ayan, tumalon. Message. Where can I ask help for my life? Okay, so your today's action, your soul's action is ask someone for help and receive it with an open heart. So you can use this mantra to amplify your gratitude. Maaaring kung walang someone, pwede ito nga. Listen to your intuition. Sa yung angels. Just open your heart to receive. Okay, your mantra is I ask for what I want and I am open to receiving it. Under this gratitude. With your gratitude list, open your heart to receive. Okay? Open your heart. When we attach judgment to receiving help, we knowingly or unknowingly attach judgment to giving help. Okay. So, ask your angels, ask your guides na kung sino ang kailangan mo sa mga panahong ito. Or kung kailangan mo ba talaga ng someone na tutulong sa'yo sa mga panahong ito. And I strongly feel na just open your heart for receiving help. Because your angels and guides are there for you. Kasi nga, nakadependent ka sa love life eh. Nakadependent ka dito sa love connection. So, maaaring hindi mo, yung connection mo with your spirits, with your spirit guides, are kailangan mapalalim mo pa. Open your heart to receiving help. Okay, my loves? And I think that's all for this reading. I'm sending you lots of alignment and connection energy. See you in my next one.